Welcome children, welcome to science class. Today we are learning about chapter 2, knowing about plants. There are two types of living things, plants and animals. These both are very useful to us. They are providing for us food that when we are eating, that we are getting energy. The food is very important for our survival life. The plants are producing all the food material from their parts like a stem, leaf, roots, or fruits or seeds. These are the main part of the plant. We are eating animal products and as well as plant products. Now let us learn about plant parts. Okay, parts of a plant. Leaf, stem, flowers. These are the main parts of the plant: leaf, stem, roots and flowers. In that leaf, see, did you all see here? This is the diagram of a plant. See, what are the parts are there? Leaf, flower, stem, fruits and roots. See, from these all parts, all the plants are producing food for us. First, let us see about the leaf. Is main part of the plant. Why? Because it is preparing the food materials for us and it producing like a food as leafy vegetables. It is also called as nose of the plant. The process of breathing also doing by the leaves. The leaves are having chlorophyll. Then because of the chlorophyll, the plants are taking the sunlight from the sun and water from the roots and air from the weather and preparing the food materials. That process is called as a photosynthesis. The food preparation by using air, water and sunlight by using the chlorophyll. That process is called as a photosynthesis. It will absorb the light from the sunlight and prepare the food. This process is photosynthesis. Second one, stem. The stem is bearing the all parts of the plant. See, the leaves are on the stem, the flowers on the stem and all the fruits also on the stem. Main part of a plant. There are two systems. This is called as the upper part of a plant, shoot system. The lower part means like a roots are called as root system. The shoot system means stem. The stem is bearing the branches or leaves or fruits or flowers and giving the strength to the or supporting to the all parts of the plant. Then root system. The roots are holding the plant and water and minerals to all parts of the all other parts of the plant. See, when the roots are not strong, it is the plant will dry and it will be fallen and it will dry it. Next one is flowers. Flowers are useful for us like a vegetables. Flowers are changed like a fruits. Example, cauliflower, broccoli we are using as a vegetable. Roots. Roots giving support to the plant. It absorbs water and minerals from the soil and hold the plant strongly without falling. For example, carrot, sweet potato, radish we are eating as a vegetables. Fruits. Fruits are changing like a seed. We are eating so many fruits. All the fruits contain more water and minerals. Some fruits produce fiber for us. Seeds. Seeds giving new plants. Some seeds we are eating as a food. For example, cereals, pulses and peas, etc. we are eating as a food. This is about the parts of a plant. Thank you for watching this video. This is a plant. We are seeing now parts of the plant. There are so many parts on the plant. On the plant, we have two types of systems. First one, root system and shoot system. This type of plant is called as dicot plant. The dicot plant is having taproot system. From the taproot, there are so many small roots, as it is called as all roots. Second one, shoot system. In the shoot system, the stem is main part of the plant. There are so many parts on the plant: stem, leaves, flowers, and fruits. These are the all parts of a plant. The stem bears branches, leaves, flowers and fruits. It gives support to all the parts and supply food and water to the all body of the plant. There are many types of plants on the world. The size, shape also different one to another. The leaves shape also, structure also different one to another. Did you all observe here? Some plants we are seeing. The size, shape and height also different one to another. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.